Circling back towards the big updates with regards to the Microsoft global outage, where we have earlier told you that Civil Aviation Ministry has already advised and said that things are going back to normalcy. But in India, majorly 3 airlines were affected, including Indigo, Akasa and SpiceJet. If we were to talk about the details, Akasa and SpiceJet did not witness any cancellations, but around 200 Indigo flights were cancelled yesterday. Around 250 flights were affected yesterday in total. And today also, around 95 Indigo flights were cancelled. CNN News 18's Yash Goyal is back with us on the broadcast. Yash, please walk us through these numbers that we just broke to our viewers. You were also telling us that couple of flights were cancelled yesterday. Even today, couple of them have been affected.
Well, Sakshi, it's more than just a couple of them now, because what we are understanding, yesterday around 250 flights were cancelled in total if we talk about all the domestic flights across India. And in fact, out of those 250 flights, 200 were from Indigo. So if we look at the numbers also, Indigo is also the largest domestic carrier in India. So in case if they have around 2,000 scheduled flights and 200 were affected, so it means 10% of the total flights were affected from the Indigo side. And if we talk about SpiceJet and Akasa, there were no flight cancellation which was reported from these two carriers. Apart from that, there were some flights also which were cancelled of Air India, but we don't have the exact number, exactly how many flights were cancelled. But yes, the Air India flights were also affected. Yes, there were delays in the Air India flight and other carriers also, but the cancellation number, if we look at highest, is from the side of Indigo. In fact, if we talk about post 12 also, so 95 flights till now we can say have been affected of Indigo. We are not expecting any further cancellations from any of the carriers, because as we told our viewers also, since 3 a.m. the airline systems are working properly, and that means that the check-in services have actually begun. But we have to understand, if there is even a delay of 10 seconds or 10 minutes, then it creates a cascading or a ripple effect to the entire chain of operations. If 10 minutes is delayed, then the entire operations get hit, and in fact it takes a little bit time to actually get those things back to normal. And here we are talking about an IT outage in India. In fact, flight operations being affected for almost 17 to 18 hours. So that means, because the first report of these check-in services were being affected was reported around 10:30 a.m. yesterday, and in fact till 3 a.m. today in the early morning, those services were affected. So that period, if we calculate, is somewhere around 18 hours. So that is a very big window. So we have to understand that cascading effect will take some time to settle, but these are the numbers and these are the flights which were affected because of that very IT outage.
Right, Yash. Thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more development.